In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a professional YouTube intro in Canva in under 2 minutes. First, open Canva and log in. Click Create a Design and type YouTube intro in the search bar. Select the YouTube intro format so your video is sized correctly for YouTube. Now choose a template. Canva has many ready-made intro designs. Pick one that matches your channel style. If your channel is energetic, choose something bold and animated. If it is educational or minimal, choose something clean and simple. Once the template opens, start customizing. Click the text and replace it with your channel name, slogan or short hook. Keep it short. A strong intro usually lasts 5 to 8 seconds. Next, adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. You can also upload your own logo by clicking Uploads on the left side. If you want music, click Elements, then Audio. Choose a track that fits your vibe. Keep the volume balanced so it is not too loud. You can also add animations. Click on Text or Elements, then choose Animate at the top. Subtle animations like fade or slide look clean and professional. When you are done, click Share, then Download. Select MP4 video as your file type. That is it. Your YouTube intro is ready to use in your videos. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.